Hello, I'm Russ Stein with Stein Automotive in Louisville, Kentucky. We operate 2 European specialist shops that service BMW, Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi. And we've been in business since 1979. And Zed Daniels ad cards are the foundation of our marketing and have been for over 19 years. I do believe that even after all of the internet advertising and all the SEO and all of the I would say maybe even newfangled types of advertising, the bedrock of our advertising is direct mail. And Zed's ad cards are the product that's worked the best for us over the years. And we have tried other vendors of direct mail, always have come back to Zed. So you can count me as one of his avid supporters, and it's a key component of the success of our business.